Hello Banggood stuff, this is Xtron X10-Pro. Battery is full, 67.0 volts on battery, so I'm going to try how this could perform in power and what it means for battery when I try to push the full throttle in the third mode. So we'll see if battery will die or not. So okay, you can see that it's 0.3210 volts. Battery is dead. You have to see it. So I'm trying to turn it on again, but nothing happened. So battery is dead. So this problem has a lot of Xtron X10-Pro 60 volt scooters. So please send me new battery, because I cannot ride like this when I try to go full throttle for less than 30 seconds. This battery is shit, so please replace it for me and for all the guys who has the same problem.